Good afternoon, everybody. We're up here in Logan, Utah, Creative Stoneworks. Justin's allowed us to load a pallet. This is a 3,855 pound pallet of stone. It's going to a job, and you can see some of his workmanship behind us. I'm just going to strap it in. You don't have to do it all the time, but I'm going to strap it in so when we unload it, that it doesn't tip over for sure. We put lubricant on the deck, on the top part of the trailer, and it's more for an experiment. Some of our guys are putting lubricant on the trailer in order to facilitate not having as much cargo drag on the deck. But as you're going to see, it just comes out. So I'm going to strap it down, and then we're going to move it off, and you'll see it unloaded. Pretty agile for an old guy. So what I've done is I've put the eagle beak of the strap in the edge of the bar on that side, and I'm just coming up around the top here on this side. There again, I just took the end of the strap in there. You can tell this is an amateur deal because I didn't take my remote control with me. It's all remote control. I'm going to move the bar back up against the pallet, and then I'm going to tighten this strap up just a little bit. Now we're going to go up in the air. We've already told you that these things are remote control. It's all held in my hand. I'm taking it up about that far, and then I'm going to move it some. See how smooth that comes off? Now that we've got it back towards the edge some more, we're going to take it up in the air a little bit more so that it touches the back of the trailer. This is the reason I'm putting the strap on. If it's too slick, that's just going to come off, hit the ground, and it'll tip over. But where we've got it strapped in, I can bring it all the way down to the ground. Now you saw how that kind of separated right there. That means you've touched the ground enough. Now what I'm going to do is unstrap, get the pickup, and pull forward. There you go. 3,870 pounds of rock unloaded without a forklift. Happy hauling with the Haulin.